Hi guys, Minor Ma here. Just wanted to show you the cheapest, easiest way to have a wash sink basin. So let me show you how I'm supporting it. First off, it's just bungees. I've got the ball kind on the top that is using this as an anchor point. I've got one that goes across, the other one that goes down and through, and then I go through the hoop here. And it's in there, boy. Not worried about that at all. And then what I wanted to do is I got this thing from the Dollar Tree. It's a paper towel holder. And then from Dollar Tree I got some zip ties, a hairbrush, a little mirror, this little thing for a sink, and then a sink basin for you know, plates and whatnot. And I just want to see what I can get away with. What I'm hoping to do is to be able to create it in a way that it stays stationary, so when I lay it flat and travel, this water is not going to spill because it's upright. And of course it's held in the bottom there, and then be able to have the paper towels here and then the sink in here for transport, easy transport. And then when you get to a campsite, voila, you can brush your teeth. Well, let's see how that works, but we're gonna try it out. Thanks for hanging with me, Minor Ma. Out, bye. Okay, so I'm just zip tying this in. If you know how zip ties work, they're super fun and they make fun noise, but they're so handy. Everyone needs a bag of zip ties. There we go, look at that. Okay, so this little toothbrush holder, I took the back off. It had suction cups. It's got two little holes, and I'm going to zip tie it to the back of that so that we can have our toothbrushes and then probably a drink cup right there. Okay, so I've got 4, and I'm just going to use the zip tie and tie them down. Okay, so now I'm going to flip it, and we're just going to see how easy it is. And then we're going to fill it up, and we're actually going to test it, guys. So let's see for transit mode. Okay, guys, moment of truth. Oh my goodness. Is it gonna hold? It's gonna be real funny or really sad in about a second. Okay. Holding like a champ. So I think a gallon of water is somewhere around 7 to 8 pounds. Could be wrong. I'll put it in the description if I am. So we're hoping that these bungees are strong enough to get it all in there. All right. Let's see. Well, I would say that's working. Let's test it. All right, let's give it a shot. I would say we have fresh water to brush our teeth. The only thing I might change is this is a really big container, tall-wise, but it's not wide-wise as far as like a wash basin. Okay, guys, so I added this little plastic basin. The little lid is right there, like your little makeup or shaving area. And then again, you go down, everything's bungeed in. I put into the bungees a little brush. Okay, so that's it all put away. And then I just flip it. So let's try to flip it. See if I can do this with one hand. And that's it, travel mode. Hope you enjoyed this video, YouTube. Let's just get it done, man. Easy peasy camping stuff. Bye.